Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to solve class 10 Cbse class 10th computer application model question for 2023 and 2024. First MCQ question. The acronym SSH stand for Safe Shell, Software Shell, Secure Shell, Simple Shell. It stand for option C, Secure Shell. You get 1 mark. Next. Which of the following is an example of social networking website, that is Wikipedia.org, Facebook.com, Cbse.co.in, ncert.nic.in. So, as you know, option B, Facebook.com is a social networking site website. Okay, next. M in HTML stand for modify, management, multiple, markup. So, it stands for option D, markup, as you know, hypertext markup language HTML. So therefore N stand for markup. And A, here's fourth question. A dash is an online journal or information website run by an individual group or a corporation that offers regularly updated content about a topic. News group, blog, www, that is World Wide Web, e-groups. So it is option B, that is blog. Next, which of the following is not a valid value for the target attribute of a tag? Option A underscore blank, option B underscore self, option C underscore top, option D underscore bottom. The valid value for the target attribute of A is option D underscore bottom. Next, moving on to our sixth question here. Link, comma, v link, comma, a link or attribute of dash tag. Body, A, HTML, D, img. So it is option A, body. Next, next is the dash attribute of img tag specifies an alternate text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. Option A, alt, option B, text, option C, alternate, option D, msg. So the correct answer is option A, alt. Eighth question, which of the following tag can be used to draw a horizontal line in web page? Line, hrule, hr, or rule. So it is option C, hr. Next, in question, in HTML, DL, DD, and DT tags are used to create description list, definition list, detail list, or dynamic list. So it is used to for a description, used to create a description list. Next, a software dash is a legal instrument governing the use or redistribution of software, license, law, document, or piracy. So it is option A, license. Next, 11th question and 12th question, it is assertion and reason. So 11th one, assertion is search engine is a hardware device that searches for any website on the World Wide Web. Reason is Google search and Microsoft Bing are two popular search engine. Both assertion and reasons are true. Reason is correct explanation of assertion. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Assertion is true and reason is false. Assertion is false, reason is true. So here 11th one, that is assertion is false and reason or is true. Both are search engine, but search engine is a hardware device that search for any website on the World Wide Web. No, it is not an hardware website, search engine, right? So 12th question, assertion CSS saves a lot of work. It cannot control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. Reason, all the required style settings can be stored in any external style sheet and a link to it can be added in the head section of each web page. So, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Assertion and reason are true, but a reason is not correct explanation of assertion. And A assertion is true, reason is false. Assertion is false, reason is true. So the correct answer is option A. That is both assertion and reason are true, but true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. 13th, so section B 2 marks here. Write any two pointers of comparison in between SMS and MMS. So SMS is stand for short messaging service, whereas MMS stand for multimedia messaging service. SMS does not support multimedia content and it allows to send only text, whereas MMS it supports multimedia content and allows to send images and videos along with text, and it allows message length of up to 160 characters, but MMS allows message length of 1600 characters, and also it is less expensive SMS, but MMS are very expensive. Next, 14th question: what is e-learning? Mention its two advantages. E-learning it is method of obtaining knowledge through digital or web enabled gadgets like computer, laptops, tablet, or smartphone. And advantages is e-learning is self-paced, e-learning is student-centered, and e-learning is cost-effective. Our question has briefly discussed the role of e-governance in any country's growth and development. So nowadays, e-governance has a major role in any country's growth and development. As properly designed and implemented, e-government can improve efficiency in the delivery of government services, simplify compliance with the government regulation, and strengthen citizen participation and trust in government, and yield cost saving for citizens, business, and the government itself. 15th question they ask: compare um, 3G and 4G mobile technology on any two major points. So first is the maximum upload and download rate is 5 MB per second and 21 MB per second respectively in 3G, but fourth generation. So it is the maximum upload and download rate is 500 MB per second and 1 GB per second respectively. And it is uses a packet switching technique, whereas it uses message and packet switching technique, and its frequency range is 1.8 gigahertz and to 2.5, and its frequency is from 2 GHz to 8 GHz. Next, 16th question: which software are termed as open source software? Name any two such software. So open source software is a type of computer software that is released under a license, but source code is made available to all the users to understand it, modify it, or redistribute it. Linux, Firefox are some example for open source software. Or question they asked: what do you understand by the term intellectual property right? Discuss briefly. Intellectual property right (IP) or these are the rights granted to individual over their original creative works such as inventions, literary and artist works, design and symbols, names and images in commerce. So these legal rights are granted through patents, copyrights, trademarks, geographical indications for a specified time period. 17th question: mention in two purpose of using comments while designing in HTML page. So with comments, one can place notification and reminder in HTML code. Comments are also great for debugging HTML, because you can comment out HTML lines of code on a one on a on at one at a time to search for errors. And 18th question is: Trisha has got confused with a few tags and their attributes. Help her to match the tag with the correct attribute. So first one is um, font. So font it is with face and A that is aligned, A that is href, and HL that is aligned, and at TD it is span. Or mention two attributes of font tag along with their purpose. So the size, that is the this attribute is used to adjust the size of the text in the HTML document. The range of the size of the font in HTML is from 1 to 7 and default size is 3. Face font type can be set by using face attribute with font tag in the HTML document, but the font used by the user need to be installed in the system first. 19th one question, write a suitable statements to display the following text on web page in appropriate subscript and superscript form. CO2. So CO2 sub like this you have to write and X2 like this you have to write. Okay. Next section, see that is 3 marks question. So Ronaldo, a web designer in a startup company, wants to give headlining in a web page through HL tag. Additionally, he wants to implement following styles on all the HL tag of the same web page at one go. Color blue, background color yellow, border of the heading 2px in red, and he is not able to implement the above mentioned additional style of HL tag through regular HTML code. Suggest him the way out and also help him in writing the code for same. So this is the code. So half marks for correct suggestion of usage of CSS and 2 marks for correct CSS code and half marks for using internal style sheet. Next 21st question. Rajat, a web developer, wants to show the a video named tiger.mp4 in dimension of 300px width and 200px height on the web page. Help Rajat by writing its HTML code. So again 1 marks for correct usage of video and 1 mark for correct usage and half marks for correct usage of the height and width attribute. So this is the code you have to write. And here 22nd question. Abhilash has just designed a web page. At the end of the web page, she want to insert the image next JPJ. So for that you have to write the code. 1.5 marks for correct usage of img tag and correct usage of a tag. Or write an HTML code to design the content of the web page in the form of list as shown below. This code you have to write. So 1.5 for using the correct forms you'll get. Next 23rd question, what do you understand by the term digital divide and mention two measures to overcome? So the digital divide is the unequal access to digital technology including smartphone, tablets, laptops and the internet in the society. So there are two measures to overcome it is increase affordability of digital technology and more focus on development of internet infrastructure. Next section D 4 marks 24th question. Here customer analytics firm needs to design a survey form as shown below. So these all you have to write the suitable HTML code for this or observe the screenshot of the given page and you have to write an HTML code for this. Okay, this is the code you have to write. 25th question. So Sanjay has recently joined the global company as a network trainee. Help Sanjay by suggesting the best suitable answer for the following issues which needs to be resolved. Company wants to engage employees in some online fun field activities to strengthen their interpersonality skills. Suggestion to popular video conference. So any two popular video conferencing software or Skype, Zoom, Teams, WhatsApp. So company wants employees to upgrade themselves by exploring internet about latest happenings in the networking field. So any two suitable web browsers or Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and sometimes few of the employees need to remotely log into their office PC from their home. So popular softwares or any disk, any desk. And also company wants its employee to be software to be safe while entering their login credentials and bank account details on the internet. So https should be preferred as https allows transferring the data in an encrypted form. And here 26 question, second case study. It is an era of internet and we as a citizens spend most of our time in the cyber world. So may a class 10 student is new to the cyber world, help her in the following. Suggest any two netiquettes which she should follow in order to become a good citizen. So We should not violate copyrights and we should share our expertise with others on the network. As the last day was approached, so one of our friends has just submitted the science project by copying and passing from the internet without even acknowledging the original source. So no, so is it right act or wrong? So no, it's not the right act. E-commerce is growing exponentially, and so is the risk involved in it. So identity theft and phishing are the risk. And suggestion to precautions to be taken while using e-commerce, that is use updated antivirus software and always ensure to check HTTPS in the web address. So okay friends, this was question paper. Okay, so if this video was helpful to you, please give a like and also share my video with your friends also. It may be helpful to them also. So okay friends, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day.